Halifax West End, and I'm showing this investment property, a triplex, 3 units for sale. 2 doors here, the upper unit and the main unit. So let's go take a look. Now we're gonna go to the right. Beautiful, spacious living room. Has spotlights in the ceiling. Fabulous high ceiling. Nice large windows. Beautiful fireplace. Lots of light in this room. And from the living room we have the laundry area here and entrance to the basement. And off the living room we have nicely renovated bathroom with beautiful stand-up shower, tile floor, and here is our kitchen. We have the sink and the dishwasher, fridge and a stove, big window here in the kitchen. We are going into the bedroom. So here's bedroom number 1. Has a closet, walk-in closet, and here's bedroom number 2. And this bedroom has access to the deck. 2 bedrooms unit. There's beautiful white kitchen again. We will go take a look at the unit upstairs. Here's the second unit going upstairs. Hardwood stairs, painted. Large window in the hallway. Here we have the bathroom, in good shape. Nice new vanity. Everything looks good. Washer and dryer. And here we have the kitchen. Dark wood cabinets here. Stainless steel appliances. In the kitchen, double sink, there's a dishwasher, ready for you, for your tenant. Tile floor, and a huge living room in the back. Look at the size of the windows and the size of this room. Wow, this could be an apartment in its own. And this room has the exit. Stairs going down, and it has a big closet. It's a fabulous room, I love it. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms, which should be on the other side. Right here. So here's bedroom number 1. Has a closet. Laminate floor here. And next to it is bedroom number 2. This one is a bit bigger, I think. It's facing the front of the building. Almond Street. So this is Almond Street in Halifax. A very central and convenient area. Grocery store here on the corner, about 5 minutes, Sobeys. And everything you need in central Halifax is not far. And that's bedroom number 3. Nice street. So that's 3 bedrooms here, and there is a bonus, a little, as in old homes, a little attic here. So let's take a look. I haven't seen it yet, so we're gonna explore it together. See, oh wow, look, so this is great. This could be an office or a bedroom, and I can stand, my head is right up to here, so 5 feet 5. An office or like a library or artist place, and that's an extra little, could be like a walk-in closet. So this is very cute. I like this bonus room. You never know what you can find in an old home. So here we are going into the basement suite. This apartment is 1 bedroom. So that's the living room here. And this is the bedroom. Here's a closet. The ceiling height is good. New doors. Electric heat down here. Little area here for maybe a dresser or something. And we are in the kitchen. There's a sink, some shelving there, fridge and stove. Cute little space, good for maybe a student or two, a couple maybe who is renting, who is studying or working here. Washer and dryer in the bathroom. This is like a big bathroom and laundry room combined. Tile floor. So that's the basement. And that's it. So we have three units here. Backyard and a nice deck. Lots of parking here. Probably 6 or even 8 cars. So what do you think? Did you like this triplex? 3 units for sale in Central Halifax? Let me know in the comments below. I'm looking forward to hear from you. See you next time. Thanks for watching.